For generations, Indian agriculture has been a test of physical endurance. Farmers carry heavy tanks across uneven fields for hours, managing chemical exposure and manual labor to protect a single season's yield. This local reality is meeting a new kind of infrastructure. The Meghdev drone station is a self-contained, one-acre digital airport, housed in repurposed shipping containers and placed directly into the rural landscape. A local Hal Didi operates the facility. Trained by Ojas Aerospace, she manages this tech hub as a rural entrepreneur, bringing advanced flight operations to her own community. When she activates the Hal ERP system, the station's internal network wakes up. High-capacity drones prepare for flight, while 6 bay charging docks cycle power to the next flight. This station makes deep tech a daily utility, providing grassroots communities with tools that were previously reserved for large-scale industrial operations. When a farmer arrives with a concern about his crop, the Hal Didi dispatches a survey drone to scan his specific acreage. During the flight, the drone captures high-resolution imagery to build a digital twin. This digital replica allows the station to analyze the physical farm through precise data units. This chart illustrates the data hierarchy. The foundational tile is a 1 square meter map for daily operations. The cube monitors a single square centimeter, tracking individual sugarcane plants. The 1 square millimeter pixel identifies the earliest stage of leaf-level diseases before they're visible. These aerial scans are cross-referenced with physical samples. Inside the station's AgriPath lab, technicians test soil and water for NPK levels and pH balance. Merging these digital scans with soil chemistry provides the farmer with a diagnosis based on exact nutrient metrics rather than traditional estimation. Once the data identifies a localized threat, the Hal Didi deploys the heavy-lift Vaigo spraying drone to take direct action. The Vaigo drone is built for high-capacity missions. Its large central tank and 6-rotor frame allow it to cover 15 acres in an hour, executing tasks that would take a human laborer days to finish. Centimeter-level accuracy is maintained through an RTK satellite navigation system. This allows the drone to follow a strict flight path, applying treatment only to the crops and automatically shutting off over empty soil. Using multi-directional radar to navigate safely, if the drone encounters a sudden obstacle, like a tree, it halts the flight and shifts trajectory instantly. This robotic precision targets the threat early, lowering the farmer's costs by significantly reducing chemical waste. The physical drones work in tandem with the Hal App, a digital ecosystem that connects the village to the wider economy. Through the Krishi Bazaar section of the app, retailers and produce buyers fulfill agricultural orders. They use the day's yield data to coordinate logistics and transactions in real time. The station also handles administrative tasks through direct API links to government portals like PM Kisan, processing subsidies and insurance claims for the farmer on site. The network's utility extends to emergency deliveries. In regions with poor road connectivity, these drones transport medical supplies and essential goods directly to off-grid settlements. The Meghdev station serves as a localized hub for precision farming, medical logistics, and digital commerce, providing the village an immediate link to national resources. At the end of the day, the drones return to their docks for charging, while the station finalizes the local data records. Every station is part of a national network. The local intelligence gathered here feeds into a countrywide grid, providing real-time data on agricultural health across India. For the farmer, this means a shift toward predictable yields. He no longer has to rely on hope. He relies on data-driven protection for his livelihood. The Hal Didi also sees a shift. In her community, she has moved from traditional labor into a role as a certified technology leader. Ojas Aerospace has developed a scalable model that connects rural India to modern technology, fostering progress from the soil upwards.